What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I am so excited. I can't stop smiling about the truck that we got. This is the day after Christmas and I finally have time to start looking into this thing and taking it apart. Kind of took a couple peeks, kind of ordered some parts ready just so I know what I need, but this is technically the very first time I'm actually going to be touching this car and giving it a nice good wash in the beginning. But it is a 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road with a 6-foot bed. And I am super excited to get this thing rebuilt, fixed up from auction. We got it wrecked, hit in the front, and we're gonna look into it, see what kind of damage is actually done and how hard it's going to be to actually fix a couple things. Hopefully no painting. I'm hoping to get parts that are color matched for this car, like the bumper and the grille. Yeah, man, I'm stoked, but this is only episode 1. So stay tuned, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because today's episode we're only going to be taking apart, and the next episode I'm hoping to start actually putting some things together and maybe looking more into actually getting this car to drive. That's going to be the case, but you never know with these wrecked cars. I've had many bad experiences. This is not actually my first Tacoma that I rebuilt. Before I even started doing YouTube, I had another Tacoma 2nd gen that I did a full rebuild on, and that was a hassle, but man, I missed that truck. That truck turned out great. Got off auction for a great deal before COVID, and now this is part 2, and I'm so excited to get started on this. So without further ado, let's give this car a quick wash, clean it up, and then look into it. Alright, so we got the car all washed up, ready to go for some taking apart to do. Let me just show you guys so far what I know we need to replace and what we're going to be working on these next couple weeks. Okay, so going right away into the interior of the car, you could already tell there's a bunch of airbags that need to get replaced. So we got the roof airbag right here. We got both seat airbags that need to get replaced. We got the steering wheel airbag, and then we got the driver's side knee airbag. Those are already all ordered. Hopefully I get them this week and they're going to be replaced. Then we are going to take off both seat belts, because whenever you get in an accident and the airbags go off, the seat belts lock for safety. We're going to take these off and send them in to get unlocked. That's gonna be the next thing we're gonna do. So inside, that's pretty much it. Nothing terrible. I am really happy that the dash airbag did not explode, because in these, if the dash airbag explodes, you're taking apart the whole dash. And I've done that before on my 2nd gen Tacoma, and that is not fun, replacing the whole dash. So I'm super happy about that. Okay, and then for the outside damage, nothing crazy. We need to replace the bumper, we need to replace the grille. There's a couple broken tabs on this headlight. This headlight will most likely get replaced because one of the main tabs that's here actually attaches to the grille. I don't want the grille and the headlight to be loose. And then both sides, these are broken. These are very repairable. So I'm pretty happy that on this side, it's only this one. So I could repair this and get it back together and have that there. That tab that's supposed to be on that side is here, so probably only that headlight. The radiator support is bent in. That's either gonna have to get cut off or pulled out and replaced. The grille surround, the actual grille, couple sensors probably that got wrecked, some fender liner, some plastics. Otherwise, not terrible at all. But let's get started and take this car apart and see what else we find. So we took off everything that we needed to take off. We got the front bumper off, the grille, all the brackets that were bent. So it looks like right here, not too bad at all. We're gonna need some frame pulling here, and I don't think we're going to need to cut that, which is awesome. I was really hoping not to have to cut into the actual radiator support just to get this rewelded. I think this is actually fixable, but we're gonna take it to a frame guy and hopefully they can pull this out. And also this as well, looks like this is bent a little bit down, not terrible. All right, so I got a list right here on the parts that I need to buy. We got passenger headlight, passenger brackets, lower radiator support, middle radiator support. We also need an actual radiator, grille surround, grille, front bumper, passenger side headlight clip bracket that holds the bottom of the headlight. And then inside we got 2 curtain airbags, 2 seat airbags, steering wheel airbag, clock, spring wires, driver knee airbag, seatbelt reset, and also a module reset. We already got all the airbags ordered, so we're gonna cross those off. And I think the next thing I'm gonna do right now is take off the seatbelt so I can mail them out for reset. Okay, so it got a little loud with the neighbors outside, so I went ahead and cut off the volume. So as you can see here, we moved on to the interior. We started off with taking off the seats. We're going to take off the covers to get them reupholstered and take out the airbags. And also I thought I might as well take out the seats first if I have to take off the seatbelt to get more access. So I went ahead and started on that. So one positive is only this seatbelt is the one that's locked. After the accident, the passenger side seatbelt is not locked, which is awesome. So now we're gonna peel off this cover here, get to the seatbelt, and then there's a bolt down there as well that we're gonna unscrew and take off the seatbelt, then send it out to get unlocked. Alright, now that we got that taken care of, the next thing we're going to do is take out the airbag module, and that should be pretty straightforward. Just maybe taking apart a little bit of the center console, or most likely all of it, and then we're gonna take that out and send that out with the seat belt to get that reset. All right, we got both our seatbelt and our airbag module out. We're gonna send those out to get reset, get a head start on those. There was just 3 bolts right here that were super actually easy to get to. If you ever dealt with the airbag module, that was very easy. Okay, now I'm gonna try to take off the seat covers. I thought I was done for today, but I kind of want to try to do that. Get done as much as I can today. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a shot, see if I could take these covers off. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Never done this before, so let's give it a shot. All right, that was a little bit of a hassle to get those covers off, but we got them off. Looks like I'm done for today. We're just going to wait on some parts to come in to start putting stuff back together and then take this car to frame. Super excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode 1 of the Tacoma rebuild. Subscribe to be ready for episode 2 coming out soon. I'm super excited about this truck. It was a long day, but I'm pretty happy with how far I've got today. and can't wait to do more. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.